Money. For most, it's the first thing that comes to mind when starting a business. But is it really the most important? Deals are made, hands are shaken, but what truly builds a business is far more than just capital. Factories, machines, and resources, these are what we imagine when we think of business empires. But every empire starts small. Even a simple piggy bank can be the beginning of something great if you know how to use it. We've been sold a lie. The lie that you need a loan, an investor, or a trust fund to build something of your own. What if the only thing standing between you and a thriving business is not thousands of dollars, but the right plan for the $78 you already have? This isn't a theory. I proved it. And today I'm giving you the exact blueprint to turn your spare savings into your startup engine. Welcome to BotBuilt, where we build real wealth from realistic beginnings. Let's break down the new rules for building wealth in today's world. It's time to start up, to take action, and to believe in your own potential. You don't need a lot of money to start a business in 2025. You need a new playbook, one that values creativity over cash and leverage over loans. I used $78 to build a business that generated 6 figures in revenue. Here's the 5-part framework that made it possible. Part 1. The foundation. The value-first mindset. Your $78 isn't for buying inventory. It's for buying proof. Before you sell anything, you must provide value. For me, that meant using $38 to buy a single product and creating free content that entertained and educated people about it. Your first investment is always in trust, not stuff. Part 2. The frame. Find your wow product. You need a product that sells itself. Your criteria are 1. Visual, it looks good on camera. 2. Solvent, it solves a clear common problem. And 3. Affordable, you can buy a sample for under $50. This product is your key asset. It's your content star and your value proposition. Part 3. The wiring. Build your digital storefront. Your website is your 24/7 salesperson. With your remaining money, get a domain name and use a free trial of Shopify or Card. This isn't a complex store. It's a single, conversion-optimized page that tells a compelling story about the problem your product solves. This is where trust turns into transactions. Part 4. The engine. Create a content machine. Your marketing budget is $0, so you must become a media company. Your phone is your studio. Create 100 pieces of content across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest. Don't sell, show, entertain, and educate. Show the product in action, the unboxing, the problem it solves. Authenticity is your only currency here. Part 5. The roof. Scale with reinvestment. Your first $100 in profit is not your money. It's your company's money. You reinvest every single dollar back into paid advertising. Use TikTok Spark ads or Facebook ads to boost your best-performing organic content. This is how you turn a trickle of sales into a flood. Let's be clear. The $78 is the easiest part. The hard part is the 100 hours of work, the filming, the editing, the writing, the analyzing. This blueprint replaces financial capital with sweat equity. You are trading your time for a chance to build an asset. But which would you rather have? 100 hours of your time or a business that could pay you for years to come? Your potential is not defined by your savings account. It's defined by your creativity, your resilience, and your willingness to execute. That $78 is a key. It unlocks a door to a future where you are in control of your income. You just have to decide to turn the key. What's the first business you would start if fear wasn't a factor? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. To get you started, I've put my free micro business blueprint checklist in the description below. It has all the steps and tools you need. If you're ready to finally build something for yourself, subscribe to BotBuilt. Let's get to work.